Have you ever wondered where your cryptocurrency is stored? Cryptocurrency exchanges are the backbone of the digital currency world, allowing users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. One of the most popular and well-known exchanges is Coinbase. But where exactly is Coinbase located? Question: in this video, we'll explore the physical location of Coinbase and delve into the company's global operations. Coinbase headquarters. Coinbase is headquartered in San Francisco, California, in the United States. The company occupies a modern office space in the heart of the city's financial district. Global operations. While headquartered in the U.S., Coinbase has a global presence with offices in various countries around the world. These offices are strategically located in key financial hubs and serve to support the company's growing user base and expanding services. Some of the notable locations where Coinbase has offices include London, United Kingdom; Tokyo, Japan; Singapore; Sydney, Australia; Buenos Aires, Argentina; Sao Paulo, Brazil. Data centers. Coinbase operates multiple data centers to ensure the security and reliability of its platform. These data centers are located in different regions to provide redundancy and minimize the risk of downtime. The exact locations of these data centers are not publicly disclosed for security reasons. Customer support. Coinbase offers 24/7 customer support to assist users with any questions or issues they may have. This support is available through various channels, including email, live chat, and phone. While the customer support team is based in the U.S., Coinbase has representatives who speak multiple languages to cater to its global user base. Regulatory compliance. As a regulated financial institution, Coinbase is subject to various laws and regulations in the countries where it operates. The company complies with these regulations to ensure the safety and security of its users' funds. This includes implementing robust security measures, conducting Know Your Customer (KYC) checks, and cooperating with law enforcement agencies. Coinbase is a global cryptocurrency exchange headquartered in San Francisco, California. The company has offices in multiple countries around the world and operates data centers in various regions to ensure the security and reliability of its platform. Coinbase is committed to providing excellent customer support and complying with all applicable regulations. If you're interested in learning more about Coinbase, I encourage you to visit their website or explore their resources. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And until next time, stay safe and happy trading.